Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to revise a few MCQs of The Dark Holes No Terror by Shashi Deshpande. Who is Shashi Deshpande? An Indian women novelist. What does the novel explore? The trauma of a middle class working woman who has become a trap in the male dominated society. How does she picturize her men and women as the victim of modern society? Who is the female protagonist in the novel? Sarita. Who is her dead brother? Dhruva. What is her husband name? Manohar. What is the name of her old teacher? Boozy. What is her strong decision not to protest against the oppression openly through breaking her familiar life? How many years after Saru returns home? 15 years after. What about the men characters of Deshpande? Her men characters are not so strong compared to her women protagonists. What is the problem of Deshpande's men characters? Men characters feel inferior and they find it difficult to adjust with the changing modes of the family system and society. How does Shashi Deshpande treat the men and women characters in the novel equally? Who is Manohar? Indian man. What is Sarita? Well-known doctor. What is her husband? An underpaid college teacher. Who develops a kind of guilty conscience in him when people give respect to his wife? Manohar is called as Manu. What is the question made him to underestimate his confidence and he feels inferior to himself? When a journalist asked him a question, how does it feel when your wife earns not only the butter but most of the bread as well? How did Manohar manifest his wounded male pride in the form of sexual sadism? Where had Manu and Saru planned for a trip? Ooty. How did he behave with Saru? He behaved like a rapist. How did Saru's father behave when her mother treated badly? He ignored and led a busy life in which he was busy with his work. Who helped Saru to complete her degree and to be an established practitioner? Boozy. Why did Boozy roams and flirts with Saru? To hide his homosexuality. What did Boozy teach to Saru? To speak good English, improved her accent, taught her how to enjoy good food, how to read and what to read. Why did Saru use Boozy? To achieve her goal of economic independence. Who are the victims of a patriarchy? Saru and Manu. How did Deshpande project her characters? She not only projects the female as a victim but also shows how equally men characters do suffer and victimized in the society. What for Deshpande's men and women characters are longing for freedom in the modern society? Why did Saru not divorce her husband? Her Indian mindset. What is the theme of the novel? Discord and the disillusionment of the educated woman in a tradition bound Indian society.